throws that actually work in street scenarios. I don't agree with taking a double leg down on somebody and getting on top, some sort of judo throw and falling with them and getting on top. You want to cause as much damage as possible and then leave the scene. This particular move I've used a lot, and you kind of feel bad when you do it because you're dropping somebody on concrete.
He has used it a lot.
Yeah. A lot of fights go to the clinch, and this is one of my favorite techniques. It's called the duck under. I just call it the street slam. So we're clinched. A lot of times he's trying to punch. If he punches perfect, I duck under. Pinning his arm here. This arm stays here. I actually have a side choke right now. Okay? Good posture. Good change of levels so I can lift with my legs. I'm lifting with my legs. The grip, I wrap and push towards myself. I'm not grabbing his groin. I'm literally pushing, tucking in, lifting with my legs, down, and we are